How are you doing? This is Martin from Gardens for Life. I just want to show you guys the potting table that we've made. So it's just 18 millimeter plywood and a few 2 by 1.5s that are treated that we had lying around, and it's all recycled materials that we had anyway, and it's a little bit small now, but therefore it's mobile, so I can move it on my own, even move it indoors as well if it's raining, and I can use it to pot all of these plants. See, these plants come from seed trays, so just like these ones. What I do is these would have been in there for at least about probably about 2 to 4 weeks until they germinate, the seeds, and the plant grow into a fairly substantial plant then, like these ones, in about an extra 4 weeks, I'd say. So I take these, just turn them upside down there. There's one stuck, so that's it. And we take these plants here. So we have to break the roots a little bit, just because they've become a little pot bound. Encourage the root growth there by simply breaking the roots a little bit, and then we make a hole in the pot. We filled, I'll show you here. So we take an empty pot. This is a 1 litre pot. If you've seen the picture that we posted on Facebook about a month ago, we got like a whole van load of pots all the way from Wexford, and they were second hand. So what we'll do is just fill that up. We've no shortage of pots now at the moment, at least not 1 litres anyway. 1 litre pots we have plenty of. So we take the plant and just pop it in there, and we just cover up the roots on the sides, and that's it. As quick as that. Here goes another one. This one is okay. There you go. Done. And that way you can repot a nice few plants in a short period of time. Of course, the only thing is I've got so many more to do. Take a look here. Here's a few more. There's spearmint and Nefolia is a flower. There's an Egyptian mint, lemongrass, white echinacea, some oriental poppies over there, and actually here's our corn as well. This is actually a corn from Scotland that we got seeds for, and it'll surely grow here. A few more garlic left to go outside, but you remember this table was half full of garlic, so we're not doing too badly. This is the tuberous pea, so I'm gonna repot a number of these anyway today. Even these hollyhocks, there's pink and peach, various different perennial flowering bushes and shrubs. Wood mallow. Gonna do that as well. Repot them all today, and licorice trees. I'll see if I can get to them. But very valuable plants to have, all of these, and especially the mints here as well. So yeah, so we'll go back outside here now, and I'll just show you what I've repotted so far. Grab a swig. Didn't even get a chance to drink my coffee yet, it's gone cold already. So this is the nursery, well, a small part of it anyway, beside the greenhouse. So these are all the plants that have already been repotted. These are dahlias that are grown from seed. It's a mixed variety as well. So wood mallow, lots of marshmallow. These have only just been repotted today, and these ones were repotted a few days ago, maybe about 5 days ago I repotted these. Perennial kales, oriental poppy, they're all doing very well after repotting, because the actual 1-year-old mushroom compost that I'm using to repot these into is much more nutrient dense than the potting soil that I was using to germinate the seeds, because you don't want to encourage fungi and molds and all that kind of thing to grow, and algae on top of the pots. So you don't want high fertility pots in the greenhouse, really. Sorry, high fertility soils used in pots in the greenhouse, because they may not stay sterile for very long. These are wood mallows. Oh, sorry, no, zebra mallows. It's a lovely flower, and they're exploding literally. I mean, look at the size of those. And for each of these batches that I'm repotting, I'm going to use a few 2-litre pots. As you can see here, these are bigger than those pots, and just as a test to see if it makes much of a difference, if the root expands much faster. And so far looking pretty good. Can't really see much of a difference in the mints and in the poppies. So yeah, and here's the cuttings that we did the other day. Still need to get around to doing a few more red currants. So right now it's very windy today. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.